Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Ratio and Proportion. This is 12th question of its exercise 12.1. So the question says that cost of a dozen pens is rupees 180 and cost of 8 ball pens is rupees 56. Find the ratio of the cost of a pen to the cost of a ball pen. So हमें यहाँ given है cost of a dozen pens 180 rupees. So cost of one pen हो जाएगी हमारी 180 अपॉन 12. सो 12 से कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. 12 1 12 एंड 12 5 60. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ वन पेन विल बी 15 रुपीज. सेकेंड हमारे पास कॉस्ट ऑफ 8 बॉल पेन्स 56 rupees. So cost of one ball pen will be 56 upon 8 by unity method. So 8 से cancel out हो जाएगा 7 time. So cost of one ball pen will be 7 rupees. So हमें ratio find out करना है. So ratio will be find the ratio of the cost of a pen to the cost of a ball pen. तो a pen upon one ball pen. So इनकी कॉस्ट हमने फाइंड आउट कर ली है 15 upon 7. So this will be our final answer. Thank you.